G'day, welcome to episode 5 as we wind our way further north up the east coast. This week we're visiting some local museums, tasting some fantastic cuisine, sampling homegrown coffee, visiting well-maintained and really interesting local museums, and of course the ever-changing landscape is just breathtaking as we wind our way from Townsville to Port Douglas. Just north of Townsville, you can see a helicopter waterbombing bushfires that we encountered as we headed north. We always take the opportunity to stop at Cardwell when we pass through and enjoyed another beautiful lunch there. It was beautiful driving through the Atherton tablelands, and I couldn't help myself, but I tested our range of our bike thinking there'd be more fuel stops than there were. We almost ran out of fuel, a couple of stations were shut, and we just made it.
Oh, it must be the 28th.
There you go, it must be the 28th. And we are at Malanda.
On the Atherton table.
On the Atherton Tablelands, and we're staying at a really nice place called the the Malanda Lodge. Malanda Lodge. It's a beautiful property. I think they said 11 acres.
We're allowed to walk around it.
We're allowed to walk around it anywhere we like on the property. Lovely comfy room. Lovely breakfast, beautiful continental breakfast. Yeah. Give them a 5 out of 5 so far. Everything has been fantastic. Yeah, I think we chuck a left down here. It was very nice, so we're very impressed. But the weather is terrible. It's cold.
It's not Queensland.
What happened to Queensland? You jinxed it the other day when you said it was perfect.
Sunshine Monday.
Yeah. So we've got a tiny speck of blue sky. The only thing that's been really good about it is at least we haven't been caught in the rain, because it's rained once we've got in, but I'm not so sure about tomorrow. Could be wet start. There we are. Lunch. Craig's cooking lunch. It's pretty good. Oh, come out of it.
Great stuff.
Smells good.
We enjoyed our stay at the Malanda Lodge, where the bike got wet. It's the only rain we've had on the trip so far. We then headed north through Atherton, stopped for a coffee, which was pretty average, and then we moved to Mareeba and the museum there, which was an excellent organisation. One thing I didn't know was Mareeba used to be the tobacco capital of Australia, and there's lots of interesting facts and figures, and some of the posters are quite horrifying of the attitudes of the day. Boy, we've come a long way. The first hotel, was it?
In Mareeba.
In Mareeba. It is all very, very well done, isn't it? Oh, we're at the Mareeba Historical Museum, an amazing place. It just goes on and on and on. There is so much to see here. Highly recommend it. Great place. And when we finish, there's a cafe to have a coffee. How good is that? Oh, remember Polly Waffles? I used to love Polly Waffles as a kid. Yum. They were my favourite. We are at Skyberry Coffee Estate, the oldest coffee plantation in Australia.
Outside of
Mareeba.
which is the tobacco capital.
Yes.
Or was.
The tobacco capital. So we're having lunch. Beautiful spot. Lunch looks like it's going to be great. Here's my line of crush, and here's our view. Not bad.
There's some great riding along the Mulligan Highway as we headed down towards the Captain Cook Highway. Here we pull over at the Rex Range Lookout to look up towards Mossman. The twisties on the way down were great fun, and it's a really enjoyable ride if you get the chance to do it. beauty of riding a bike is you really are in the middle of it. And what I really enjoy about our rides is how the landscape changes, and it can change in a matter of minutes from forest to sugarcane.
So Craig's checking out the bars.
No.
We've just arrived. We're on. We're bugging. We're in Port Douglas. We've just got here. It's our little companion. Staying at the McCrossan Apartments.
On the main street.
On the main street. Very, very nice. Very impressed. We've only been here an hour, but it's lovely. Very comfortable, nice pool, fully self-contained apartment. We've got everything we need.
Nice host.
Nice host, yeah, she was lovely. Really nice ride today. Beautiful
Cover
ride.
for the bike, that's the main thing.
Oh yes, your bike's undercover.
And safe.
And safe. It's all good. Bye. In next week's episode, we do a quick dash to Cairns to replace the helmet intercoms that have broken. We visit the Mossman Gorge and head on up to the Daintree.